A new 10x potential cryptocurrency is launching soon, and that is exactly what we are going to cover in this new video on the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Welcome back everyone, hope you've had a wonderful Easter holiday, Easter break. In this video, we're going to delve into a new project launching very soon, which could have massive potential. So let's talk about it. We can see, of course, looking at the overall state of the market right now, we are seeing some top tier meme coins on the down. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, and I think if you do use Shiba Inu and other large cap meme coins as a barometer of where we are overall, the sentiment of the market and how the meme market is doing, well, actually Shiba Inu is looking very strong and is quite resilient against this downtrend that we are seeing. So memes are still holding a very strong $60.4 billion valuation, and the market cap of blockchain globally is still sitting at a tremendous $2.5 trillion. So yes, we've had a little bit of a devaluation. We've come back down about 200 billion, but there's nothing to worry about. And in my opinion, this is another classic shakeout scenario. The Bitcoin halving is only 17 days away, and we've got a lot to look forward to, ladies and gents. So without further ado, we're going to crack on with this right now. And if you are new to the channel, you do want to hit your crypto goals this 2024 coming up, subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel, and thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are liking the content, by the way. So the coin is going to be, I mean, we've called some huge ones already, but the coin will be Dogecoin 20 today. They've now raised over $12 million. Priced in, one Doge is $0.00022. So effectively, what we're seeing here is the inception of a potential huge new ICO meme coin, and Doge 20 will launch on a very strategic day, International Doge Day on April 20, which could create a lot of massive hype, euphoria, volume, liquidity, and overall the meme market could surge then. What if Elon Musk has a trick up his sleeve and sends memes to the moon once again? It's all speculation, but this is the, this is the sort of thing that happens in the crypto market. So Doge 20, this ICO has no inflation, unlike Dogecoin 20, Dogecoin, the OG, which has got trillions of coins. So the problem with having trillions of coins and inflation, it dilutes the value of each token, effectively making it harder for the coin to get back to a unit cost all-time high, even if the market capital, which is the overall valuation, is the same. With Doge 20, you're seeing a fixed and maximum supply of 140 billion tokens. 25% are allocated to the pre-sale. So straight away, there's no inflation and a supply that is so much less, which does actually make it possible for this coin to hit $1. We can also see rewards calculator here as well. So right now it's 0.00022. If you were to buy, I don't know, let's say a good chunk of this coin, if you put $22,000 into this, and this coin then went up in price by the time it went on exchange and also decentralized exchange, you could even see $100,000, which would effectively be around a 5x. So not financial advice, of course, this is all high risk, high reward sort of entity, but overall memes is where the money is, and sometimes you have to follow the meta, the trend in the markets to see what can really happen. You could surprise yourself sometimes. Now, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. It's not financial advice. How do I buy this coin? You might be asking yourself. If you have a DeFi wallet such as MetaMask or a Trust wallet, a Web3 wallet, you can hit the buy now button, hit the MetaMask, and you convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of Doge 20 coins. Boom, simple as that. And we can see, just looking, the Twitter is up to 12k now, which is absolutely insane. Claim going live April 20, lots of excitement around that, and you can see they're just recently celebrating Easter as well. And just looking at the overall impressions, the likes, the retweets, it looks like there's a lot of overall engagement there. Give them a quick like as well, and things are looking good. So this could be up there. This could be a new top 20 meme coin. We called Smog, we called so many big ones like Tamadoge, we had Meme Combat, Scotty the AI. These are all coins that have performed very well after we've looked at them and explored them and kind of had a bit of an analysis and an overview on them. We can see on the 24 hours, some memes are still moving up, but most are on the down. But this could be a good opportunity to capture some of your favorite coins at a lower price level. Now, I think Dogecoin 20 could do pretty well. It's a low market cap gem. It's got the pumpermental factors. It's got a good community, a vibrant website, a dog being a character. And, if you just look at coins on the meme coin list, and if you go to the market capitalization of these coins, you can actually see, look at the top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these 5, only one is a frog. I think Shiba is technically like a fox, but it's still got like, doggy kind of ears. But overall, the dog kind of characters, they are the ones that do the best. You've got Bonk, you've got Floki, you got dog with hat, you got Dogecoin. So a dog themed meme coin is definitely a strong way to push a project, and I think gives you that kind of natural leverage, and overall has the best kind of branding, right? So really excited to see what could happen there, everybody. Now, if you are new here and you don't know who I am Jacob. Also, you can check out my Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. The link is down below if you want to find some early calls. We looked at one like Credi recently, which went up over 2x. We've also got Slothana, which is a Solana-based pre-sale, which is doing absolutely amazing. And yeah, guys, just join the Discord, come hang out, chill with us. We're at 26,000 members, which is insane. And thank you for being here. Remember, this is not financial advice. Let me know your thoughts on Dogecoin 20. Are you getting in? Are you going to sit on the sidelines and just see what happens? Let me know your thoughts. Bye for now and stay crypto safe.